That's right. We created the classic handheld game of Bop It on the TM4C. Now, when you reset the game, you'll have the option of selecting to play in either English or Spanish. To select either one of these options, use the board buttons. One button will start the game in English and the other in Spanish. For this demonstration, we'll start it in Spanish. Each input has its own sound and color associated with it. The sequence starts off simple, but gets more complex as time goes on. Be careful not to take too long when it's your turn. You could run out of time. Now here's Steven to explain the inputs.
My name is Stephen Doe, and I'm going to be presenting Bop It / Simon Says, the game that me and my partner Eralp Orkun designed for Lab 10. For our version of the game, we're going to have 3 inputs: a switch, a button, and a slider. When we start the game, the computer is going to generate a random sequence of inputs that we have to replicate. And every time we replicate it correctly, it's going to get a little bit longer. Once a bop, there's a button push here. Notice how we have sprites on screen that correspond to when our hardware buttons are pressed. Once a button press, followed by a switch. Notice how we kept the rhythmic aspects of Bop It by incorporating a ticking timer as well as sounds for each button. Followed a button press here, followed by a switch, then a slide on the slider. Answer too slowly or incorrectly, and it's game over.